What's up, guys? This is Jay from Stick and Wrap, and today we're going to install a itasha on my 2006 Scion XB, and we're going to stick it right over here. And we actually got the sticker from Funky Garage. I'm definitely going to go ahead and try this out, and it's going to be a 24-inch digital print from Jet. See right here? Looks legit. Alright, and we're going to see what happens next. Alright, cool. And here it is. Make sure you guys like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Stick and Wrap, and make sure you hit that bell button. All right, see you guys next time.